Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to view other people's calendars in Outlook so you can coordinate meetings and check teammate availability with ease in 2026. Let's get into it. First, check your permissions and invitations. Before you can see anyone else's schedule, you must ensure that the proper security handshake has occurred between your account and theirs. Open your Outlook inbox and look for a specific email with the subject line, Sharing Invitation, or I'd like to share my calendar with you. Open that email and click the large blue Accept or View Calendar button inside the message body. In 2026, privacy protocols are stricter than ever. You cannot simply search for a private calendar. The owner must explicitly grant you the right level of access. By clicking the link within the official invitation, you are authorizing Outlook to pull that person's encrypted data into your personal dashboard, moving their schedule from private to shared status. Next, navigate to the Calendar navigation pane. Once you have accepted the invitation, you need to move from your Mail view into the Scheduling hub where your new data has been synced. Look at the navigation bar on the far left or bottom of your Outlook window and click the Calendar icon. Once the calendar view loads, direct your attention to the left side navigation menu where your list of active calendars is displayed. This is the command center for your 2026 workflow. In the past, all your data lived under one heading. Now, Outlook uses a tiered organizational structure. By looking at this sidebar, you can verify that the system has successfully registered the new shared data alongside your own personal events. Lastly, expand the Other Calendars menu. Scroll down the left sidebar past your own My Calendars section. You will now see a second distinct category labeled Other Calendars or sometimes Shared Calendars. Click the small arrow icon to expand this menu and check the box next to your teammate's name. Their schedule will instantly appear alongside your own on the main grid. In 2026, keeping your personal and shared calendars in separate folders is the best way to stay organized. By toggling the names under the Other Calendars menu, you can quickly overlay multiple people's schedules to find a gap, then uncheck them just as easily to return to a clean view of your own day. And that's pretty much it. To view a colleague's calendar in 2026, make sure you have been invited and have the right access by clicking View Calendar within their email invitation. Once accepted, head to your calendar view and look at the left side navigation. You'll see that you now have an Other Calendars menu where you can toggle their schedule on and off. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.